Good evening. Like in trading, the way patterns and data are very important. Similarly, in life, following a pattern which leads to success is equally important. What you are looking currently on the screen are just numbers. Don't focus too much on the numbers and begin to calculate or begin to dream. Rather, focus on the pattern of winning days. If you manage to capture 15 to 16 winning sessions of total 20 to 21 sessions, you are done for the entire month successfully. It's not that we don't make losses, we do, but to a very limited extent, to which we call as a loss quota. Rather, focusing on one-off or blue moon sort of a jackpot trades, focus on making small to decent gain on a consistent basis. You will certainly realize the difference after a completion of 1 month for sure. This is the summary for the month of April, which is ongoing. This is the summary for the month of March. This is for the Feb. This is for the Jan, and this is for the December. The individual daily summary of each of the day has been posted on the bigger channel, the landing page of the AAA Trade Telegram channel. So you can definitely correlate it to that. Now, looking at this data, your eyes might get stuck at this gains that we have made out here. Okay. Now, if you ask me to explain the profit made on this day, how this much of gains can be made here, okay, let me take you to the Telegram channel and show you the trade itself. Okay. So this is the 5th April. This is where I have shared the daily setup, which I shared on a daily basis, on a chartical explanation and on the basis of the notes that we do. As we open, based on the pre-market session, we will be deciding on the Cs or Ps that we are going to trade. Okay. Then I keep sharing the chartical explanation as to what I see, what are the immediate support, what are the immediate resistance that we are currently looking at. We have entered into the put strike out here at 916 based on the since as per the setup, the trade has triggered some important support levels might have been broken down. So we have entered into it. So this is the indication that we are expecting it to be breaking down. This is the immediate support that we are looking for out here, and this is on the Nifty, which is being which we have been expecting that it will be probably be breaking down this pattern as well. You can keep checking on the change in the strike that we have entered into. Okay. Timely basis, we will be saying that keep booking and trailing your gains. So if you are a multi-lot trader, you need to book your partial lot with the initial surge, so you can create some cushion out there. Then with the remaining lots, you will be creating two parts of it. The half part of the remaining will be trailed, and the remaining half will be kept at cost. Okay. Then we can see it began to make further fall. Do book some lot and create cushion for yourself. What I just told you. This is how the important components of the Bank Nifty looked at that day. Okay. So here we can see now we are at 505 from 379. We are at 138 from 134, just at the same levels. I keep updating as to what is happening with the surge in the price, as to what we are expecting. Is there any sort of immediate support? Expecting a sharp fall ahead on the Bank Nifty. We can surely see on the screen what's happening out there. Now the same C that we have been entered into is now at 650 from 379. The Nifty have also started making some gains, now at 149 from 134. Okay. Here the pattern formation is now indicating that after it broken down, it is quite possible that it may approach the next support out here. Same for the Nifty, we are expecting a breakdown because Nifty have not made that amount of gain out here. So the same P are now trading at 705 from 379, 168 from 134. The intent of showing this to you is just to make you realize that this is possible, but there are methodologies, there are ways that such trades needs to be managed and executed well. So the same PE, now we can see them to be trading at 986 from 379, 250 from 134. It have touched down the expected levels that we have been waiting on that day. On Nifty as well, it have touched down the expected support. It further breaks down here, if you can see. So this is the learning, this is the explanation that I keep providing onto the channel to the members, so that they can learn that while they are earning, they can understand as to what they are trading. Okay? Because blind trading doesn't make sense. So with the chartical explanation, with the pointers that I share, with the notes that with the explanation that I give, it does help the members to even understand and even learn while they are trading. So here you can see 1090 from 379, 315 from 134, 1130 from 79, 325 from 134. Yeah, this was one of the trending day that was captured on that. It's similar. We do, since we are directional traders, we do happen to catch such trades on the days where it is trending. Then I will just show you the daily summary for this day. Here we go. So this is daily summary posted on the channel for that day. Okay, and now we'll come back to here. So this is what we have just shown it to you. So the channel that I'm currently managing is not definitely a trade provider channel, because where you just get the template trades with XYZ entry with the SN and just blind targets. This is pure learning channel where you are also getting an opportunity to earn while you are learning. Okay, but it is not necessary that each and every individual will be able to book the gains at such higher levels. It completely depends upon every in the individual risk appetite and the potentials to do right things at the right time, for which I also have a training course. So far I have trained more than 150 individuals from the members from the channel. The number which I project here as to here, or on the detailed daily summary which I project here, are the levels which I managed to record or call out in the channel while the trade is currently ongoing and not booked completely. So if the trade is currently ongoing, during that whichever high I have managed to record or call out, those are the highs which I will be capturing on my daily summaries. Okay, and yeah, while these profits cannot be gained with just single lot, yes, these profits cannot be gained with just single lot, because being a single lot trader, you will focus on making or securing small to decent amount of profits on a consistent basis, which will eventually help you build your capital and your margin stronger and wider, where eventually you will be entering with multi-lot trades as well. Multi-lot trades as well. Okay. Yeah, while these profits cannot be gained with just single lot, that I was saying, you certainly need to trade with multiple lots, where you can keep offloading the partial position at the initial surge, then you trail the 25% and you keep the remaining 25% at cost for larger gain. So any which ways, it will be win-win situation for you, mostly on the trending days. On non-trending days, you will be focusing on booking small to decent gains on a consistent manner. There is another video which is the trading summary of 23rd April, which is today's a video capture of the of the live channel, the way we have entered into the position, how we managed it, how the day turned out to be, with the technical explanations and logics. What is more important there is not the trades or the gains which is being made, but the guidance and learning that one is one can make while they join this channel. Okay, that was the message basically I wanted to pass on to you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you. Good night.